going on, guys? It's your boys for Reactions here, back with another video. Today
and we got the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air, the thinnest iPhone ever made. We're gonna test out the two cameras, see which one stacks up. Obviously, this is probably gonna win, but we're gonna do just a basic test. And as well, we got the 17 to throw in as well. Let's get into it. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to be doing the 1X and the 2X lenses on all the phones. That's all we have on the iPhone Air, so that's what we're going to compare for you. So on the 17, you have ultra wide as well, but no telephoto, but we're just going to do the 1X and 2X. This is the 1X. Boom. Now, onto the Air. Alright, so right here, I got the Air. We're going to start off with taking a picture on the 1X. It's only got one lens, but it's a Fusion 48 megapixel lens. So we got a 1X and 2X in one lens. So he's going to stand right here. Ready, 1X on the iPhone Air. Boom. All right, here's the 1X on the 17 Pro Max. Now we're gonna do the 2X lens. It's basically 48 megapixels cropped in to 12 megapixels. Let's get it. All right, so now we got the iPhone Air. We're gonna try the 2X lens, see if it's any different from the others. Ready? In the same spot. 3, 2, 1. Now onto the next phone. All right, now we got the 17 Pro Max to do the 2X. This is 2X. Now I just enabled 48 megapixels on the iPhone 17. We're gonna take the photo. Here we go. All right, let's do the Air. All right, so now we got the iPhone Air. I just enabled 48 megapixels, so we're gonna take that same photo on the iPhone Air. Here we go. All right, so now we're doing 48 megapixels on the 17 Pro Max. Here we go. Let's see the results. All right, now we're gonna vlog with the three phones, just a basic vlog, and we're gonna zoom in and out so you can show the difference of the various lenses that you have on all those phones. Let's get it. All right, so we're vlogging here on the iPhone 17. We have three options of lenses: 1X, 0.5X to zoom out and even ultra wide angle, and the 2X. That's the furthest we can zoom in. I'm not standing that far. I'm right here, so not that far. That's the 17. Now to the Air. This is the iPhone Air, and we're recording in 1X. It only has 1X and 2X. I'll zoom into 2X here. Boom. That's it. No ultra wide, no telephoto. I'm standing not too far, like maybe 8 to 10 feet here. It's a really thin phone. It's awesome. Let us know what it looks like. Onto the Pro Max. All right, so now we're recording with the 17 Pro Max here, and we got our full plethora of lenses. We got the ultra wide, boom, and as you can see, I'm not that far. 1X, 2X, 4X, and 8X. Look how close we got. Like, and look at where I'm. Okay, I'm gonna back up here just so you can get some reference. As you can see, I'm standing here. He's all the way over there. 1X, 2X, 4X, and 8X. Isn't that awesome? That's the zoom you get with the 17 Pro Max. Let us know in the comments. Okay, so we switched locations here. We switched outfits too because we forgot to do the selfie camera test. Very important on the iPhone 17 series.
The thinnest Air possible.
Oh, this is crazy. So I'm gonna take a photo with the 17. Now they all have the center stage feature, so we're just gonna take a photo on all three. I'm gonna reverse this here, and we're gonna get him in it. All right. Boom. Now onto the Air. And now, on the 17 Pro Max, should be the same.
Ready.
Okay, so we've got
Ready,
three Geekbench results here. So starting on the 17, we got 3,625 on the single core score. On the Air,
on the thinnest phone, is 3636.
So this the 17 right here has the A19. The Air and the Pro have the A19 Pro, but the iPhone Air's A19 Pro chip is binned with one less core than the Pro Max, so there should be a sizable difference in the GPU performance, but we'll get to that. So then the 17 Pro Max's single core score is 3,749. Now, on to the multi-core score. Starting with the 17, 9,042.
9,078.
on the Air. And then with the Pro Max, 9,596. There you go, folks. Now, let's talk about those metal scores.
Metal scores.
Starting with the 17, we got on the A19 chip, 37,121. Not bad.
I got a strong performance, 37,995.
So from
Metal
A19
score.
to A19 Pro, we're only getting about 800, 900 point difference.
Strong.
That doesn't sound right. But on the 17 Pro Max, 45,507, folks. That's the difference. So that
Folks.
extra GPU core is making almost a 10,000 point
The
difference.
thinnest phone in the world,
I
folks.
think it's being binned a little more because how thin it is. It has to throttle it a little bit because of the heat. It doesn't have a vapor chamber, so it's so thin, it needs to dissipate. It throttles when it overheats. So that's probably why we're getting lower results on the Air compared to the Pro Max. It was a given. Alright, so that's been all the tests. Let us know what you thought in the comments down below. Did you see a difference between the 17 iPhone Air and the 17 Pro Max? If you did, let us know what you noticed. And is it worth getting a thin phone to lose a camera lens? Because the 17 has a pretty compelling offer for a cheaper price. The Pro Max, obviously you get a range of zoom, but it's a thick, beefy phone, but it's just awesome. It's more expensive, of course, but there you have it, folks. That's all the tests. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.